or?
Yeah, so the concept is local communities for local lake. So the concept of conservation is not for an NGO to do it. Because see, when you have an NGO who is supposed to do it, then they will do multiple lakes, right? Because it's a bigger organization trying to tackle conservation at a different level.
Correct.
So there what will happen is, there is a monotony set. See, every lake will be given one treatment because, you are used to it. So you've done one lake, you get confidence from that, you want to adapt the same model and you go on that other replicating it. But actually lakes are like personas, they are like children. Every lake needs a special treatment, like you need to understand the lake, find out what is its purpose. See, like, a child who is good at music, you cannot make him a scientist.
True.
It's like that only. So if you are trying to make a drinking water lake into a recreation lake or a recreation lake into a irrigation lake, they will have their own functionality. That depends also on the community's need. So you have to first understand your lake, think what you want, do the action plan as per the community need, and then work with your lake. So it's not like one model for all. So that is why we believe in local community involvement in lake, letting the government do its job, but we kind of join hands and work with the government, try to be eyes and ears and give them continuous monitoring and feedback and support like this. So that works better because you also as a community get what you want,
Right.
as well as you are proactively working with the government to get what you want. So it's like executing your fundamental duty, to get your fundamental rights. So you want clean air, you want oxygen, you want water and everything. So you execute your fundamental duty of protecting lakes and forest and everything in your community. So that's the thought. So it's not an NGO per se. It is an NGO because it's a non-government organization.
Correct.
But the model is not of the regular NGO model. It's a community participation model.
So, Jal Poshan is
A community
maintaining-
a citizen body which is maintaining this lake along with BBMP.
Okay. So, the main focus is to maintain the
Maintain conserve the lake, conserve
And the
the lake.
Satya Foundation, how?
Satya Foundation initiated Jal Poshan.
Okay.
Yeah, so Satya Foundation is a catalyst organization. We initiate projects in the community, then hand over the project and exit.
Okay. That was, I had this confusion. So,
Yeah, so we don't actually try to do projects on our own. We only initiate projects in the community, empower the community and then exit. So when we exit, the project has to be sustainable.
Right.
It should not die or collapse along with the organization.
Right.